My name is Christine Casey and I'm a Professor of Architectural History at Trinity College Dublin, and I am Principal Investigator on this ERC Advanced Grant project, Stonework. Stonework is a new way of looking at architectural production, focusing on the communities involved in providing and working materials for buildings. This is a European Research Council advanced grant. It allows me to assemble a team of researchers in various disciplines: architectural history, craft history, socio-economic history, geology and digital technology, to make a deep dive into the building culture of the 18th century from this cross-disciplinary perspective.
For me, the important aspect of this project is to link quarries to the stone type that was extracted and then fabricated from those quarries to the buildings themselves. And so with this project, we're looking at the source of the stone, looking at characterizing the stone as well, but also what buildings has it been used in, and then visiting the buildings to try to quantify and qualify the stone that's being used. If we're going to do restoration work, like here in Russborough, if it needed it, where do we get the stone from? Do we have the skill within the country to be able to do that? And that's the value of this project for society, that we can now start to identify the stone that was used in the past, where we may be able to get it for future work, and to encourage the development of those skills within these communities.
An important aspect of our work on the Stonework project is the review and analysis of archival material. Analysis of this manuscript material in combination with the surviving building allows us to gain greater understanding of historic workshop practice, of the range of individuals involved and the skill sets involved in creating a building of this type.
One of the aims of Stonework is to digitally capture some of the more interesting features of the facades and detailing, and we do this using photogrammetry, which is a photography-based technique that allows us to create a 3D model of the surface of the stone and then bring that into a virtual space. So by digitally capturing the stonework, we get a better understanding of the unique properties of the material and the methods used to fashion the stone, and that in turn can inform conservation techniques and methods.
Conservation and craft practice is hugely important for this project. Not only are we working with academics across several disciplines, but we are also working with craft practitioners, and that is hugely important because their knowledge of the materials, their understanding of technique informs our understanding of historic techniques. Conservation at one level is almost like a hotline to the practices of the past, and we're hoping that by raising awareness of the past, we can inform the maintenance of standards in the future.